To fix the Snapchat lock screen, start by checking if your account is locked due to suspicious activity. If your account has been temporarily locked, wait for the specified time and try again. If your account is not locked due to suspicious activity, the issue may be related to the app itself. Try restarting the Snapchat app, as this often resolves minor issues. To do this, close the app and open it again. If restarting the app does not work, try restarting your device. This can help resolve issues related to your phone or tablet. Another step is to check for updates in the App Store. An outdated version of Snapchat may be causing the issue, so updating to the latest version can help resolve the problem. If none of these steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Snapchat app. This will remove any corrupted files that may be causing the issue. It is also important to ensure that your device is compatible with the latest version of Snapchat. If your device is not compatible, you may need to update your device's operating system or use a different device. Additionally, be cautious when using third-party apps or plugins with Snapchat, as these can cause issues with the app. If you are still having trouble, you can contact Snapchat support for further assistance. They can help you resolve the issue and get back to using the app. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Snapchat lock screen and continue using the app without issues. Remember to always be cautious when using social media apps and to follow best practices to avoid having your account locked in the future.